All right, let's talk about something that drives pretty much everyone in Dhaka crazy. You know the feeling, that daily gamble you take with your gas supply. Well, today, we're going to look at a really simple but powerful solution that's kind of changing how people live in the city, one stress-free meal at a time.
So picture this. You've had a long day, you're exhausted, all you want to do is make a quick dinner. And then, nothing. The stove won't light up. That sinking feeling of frustration? Yeah, that's something thousands of us face every single day. It's a problem that feels completely out of our control. But what if it wasn't?
So first, let's get one thing straight. This isn't just some small annoyance. We're talking about a massive systemic issue. You see, Dhaka has grown so fast that its gas lines, some of which are super old, just can't handle the demand anymore. For you, the tenant, this means it's not just about a cold stove. It's about how this problem just messes up your entire life. It's a total domino effect, right? You find yourself waking up at like 5 in the morning just to get enough gas pressure to cook for the day. Your food budget, it skyrockets because you're always ordering in. Just under the surface, there's this constant low-level stress. You can't plan anything, you can't rely on a basic utility you're paying for, and man, it just wears you down.
And if you ever thought, is it just my building? Am I just unlucky? Well, take a look at this. 55% of households in Dhanmondi, a full 50% in Uttara, even 35% in a premium area like Gulshan are dealing with these gas problems. This is a citywide crisis, which means you are definitely not alone in this struggle. Okay, so the problem is huge. What's the fix? Well, it's probably not waiting around for the city's infrastructure to magically get better. For more and more people, the answer is to totally rethink how they live. It's about choosing a smarter, way more efficient option, the studio apartment.
So what exactly is a studio apartment? Let's just quickly break it down. It's basically a single open plan space. Everything is designed for maximum efficiency, getting rid of wasted space and focusing on what you actually need. It's a whole concept that's just built for the modern city person. And who's this for? Well, it's perfect for busy professionals who need convenience, students who want a functional space without the hassle, and honestly, anyone who just values their time and wants to simplify their life. It's a choice that puts a hassle-free lifestyle way ahead of just having tons of square footage.
All right, now we're getting to the heart of it, the number one advantage that directly attacks our main frustration. How do you finally take back control of the most important part of your home, the kitchen? And wow, this chart just lays it all out perfectly. Look at the left, the traditional apartment. You're totally dependent on gas, you have no idea if you'll be able to cook, and planning meals is a nightmare. This leads to crazy high food costs and a ton of stress. Now look at the right. The studio apartment completely flips the script. Gas dependency is basically zero, cooking is always reliable, and planning is easy. The result? Lower food bills and, more importantly, an end to all that daily stress.
So, here's the magic behind it. Instead of relying on the city's dodgy piped gas, studios use modern electric or induction stoves. What does this mean? It means you are completely independent. You want to cook at 8 in the morning or 8 at night? You can. You are in control. This breaks that vicious cycle of stress and ordering expensive takeout for good.
But you know what? The benefits don't just stop at the kitchen. Fixing the gas problem is really just the first step to an all-around, smarter, simpler, and way more convenient way of living in a crazy city like Dhaka.
Just imagine this for a second. No furniture shopping, no setup headaches. Most of these studio apartments come fully furnished with everything. I'm talking bed, sofa, fridge, AC, the whole shebang. You can literally just show up with your suitcase and start living on day one. I mean, what a huge weight off your shoulders, right? You know, some people hear smaller space and they think it's a downside. But let's completely reframe that. A smaller space means less time spent cleaning, way lower maintenance, and just less mental energy wasted on stuff you don't even need. It's all about simplicity. And that gives you back your most valuable resource, your time. And we absolutely cannot forget about security. So many of these modern buildings have professional security guards, CCTV everywhere, and controlled entry. For anyone living alone or maybe new to the city, that kind of peace of mind is just priceless.
So where can you actually find this smart living solution? Well, the good news is these apartments aren't just some idea. They are available right now in some of the best areas in Dhaka.
So what's your vibe? If you want a quiet, more organized life, Bashundhara R is probably perfect. If you're looking for a lively area where everything is super close, Dhanmondi's your spot. For frequent travelers, you can't beat Uttara's airport access. And of course, for that premium, secure environment, you've got Gulshan.
The choice is all yours. This quote right here just nails it. It really captures the entire idea. This is not a downgrade, it's a strategic choice. You're trading a bit of extra space you probably won't even use for something way more valuable in city life: reliability, convenience, and genuine peace of mind. So it all comes down to this one question for you. Are you ready to stop letting a broken utility company control your schedule, your budget, and your stress levels? Are you ready to make a choice that finally puts you back in the driver's seat of your own life? Because at the end of the day, it really is that simple. This is all about removing a huge source of daily anxiety and replacing it with comfort and predictability. No gas, no stress. It's about choosing a simpler, smarter life that finally works for you and not against you.